How to edit pie chart on Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the perfect way to edit pie chart on Google Docs. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Google Docs. Okay guys, so here I have my Google Docs file here, so I just rename it demo. Okay, I just hit the demo. So when you insert the pie chart in Google Docs, so you may be unable to find the editing option, so I will show you. I just insert the pie chart here. Okay, image chart, so I just hit the pie chart. So you can see the pie chart has been insert here. Okay, so when you try to edit from here, it will be not edit because it is show like image. So if you want to edit, you can edit from here. The process is very simple. We need to go in this option and go to the open source, because pie chart by default create by sourcing Google Sheet. Okay, so Google Sheet will be open here, and also with name your Google Docs file, and it is demo your name, and it will be show the pie chart, because it is linked Google Sheet to your Google Docs, so it will be show like this. Okay, so from here you can change your team name. So I just change the name here. You can see I can also change the point. Okay, you can change the team. Okay, so when you make changes, you need to go to Google Docs, and you have to just keep the cursor on this option, and you have to just refresh it. There is a refresh option, you can see circle, just click on it. It will be refresh and make update. Okay, it will be update directly from sheet. Okay, from here come to the Google Sheet, and here also you will see the lots of option. Go to the three dot option. You can download chart, you can publish chart, you can copy the chart. You can also move to own sheet. You can edit from here. You can also delete chart from here, or you can edit chart from here. There is lots of option you can see. Okay, you can change the chart type like this, or you can change the date range, labels. Okay, show the row column if you want to. If you want to disable the column, you can disable from here. You can customize the like chart style, like themes, color, background color, pie chart, dot, border color, everything, pie slice you want. Okay, you can change, you can customize your pie chart from here. Okay, so after you edit and update your pie chart, you need to just come here and just hit the just refresh button. It will be update. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.